Hello everyone, my name is Surbhi Khurana and I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you to the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform, that is ZIIEI. ZIIEI stands for Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Today, I am going to discuss about various innovative ideas, and also I am going to talk about various learning processes with the students in a very fun and interactive way. Now, we are going to cover the chapter named as People Who Help Us. This chapter is of class 4. It is from the UP board, chapter number 7, and the subject is English. The name of the ZIIEI innovative idea is naming method. The time required to implement this idea is around 20 minutes. The innovation of the idea is that we bring the ritual of practicing naming into the learning pedagogy. So, for in this chapter, there are some instructions for the educator. Choose individual name for the students, and name should be chosen related to the scope of the chapter. Assign these names to the students, and after 2 days, add value to it. So, for example, we are going to cover the chapter People Who Help Us. So, educator can name the student 1 as doctor, name the student 2 as teacher, name the student 3 as um, any profession like carpenter, etc. After 2 days, we are going to cover the tools practiced by these teachers. For example, student 1 for doctor, there is stethoscope. For student 2, there is chalk. For student 3, there is saw, etc. Similarly, pre-arrangement that needs to be done. They need to make the following pre-arrangement, that is miscellaneous and blank paper chits for the students. Ensure that the reading explanation has already been done in the classroom. Also, name the students according to the roll number and specific words related to the chapter. Conclude by telling the students that student 1 is doctor, student 2 is teacher, student 3 is carpenter, and so on. Through this, communication skills will be enhanced in the student, and the following idea has certain learning outcomes, such as students will be able to respond orally in any language, including the sign language. Also, they will be able to use simple instruction, respond to simple instructions, and create sentences in English. They will be able to know the meaning of certain words and use them in their sentences. They will be able to know about different profession and the tools used by certain professions. The following notes can be done. A note that has to be taken are encourage the student to find out the tools of the certain professions. Also, in shorthand, words like link the words and make the students in pair. Also, the idea helps in developing concentration and understanding of the concept in the classroom. This activity ensure active participation and make sure there is no there is peer learning aspect related to it. Also, the duration of this activity can be changed according to the class ratio, that is the teacher to the peer ratio. We have taken 30 to 1 teacher, so it will be around 20 minutes. The core life skills that can be included are effective communication and critical thinking. The values that can be touched upon are patience and respect. Also, thank you so much for listening. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our page on Facebook.